So in this question we've got to find the shaded area knowing that this length here is 8. Right, so we know the area of a circle is pi r squared. This here is the radius of this this quarter of a circle. We know it's 4 because this length here, half of this length here, which is 8. Now, these 4 here make up a complete circle. If you take them apart and turn them around a bit, they make a complete circle. They make a complete circle with radius 4. So it's that bit, plus that bit, plus that bit, plus that bit. So, this is 8, and therefore this is also 8, because this is 4, and this is 4 as well. Therefore, the shaded area is equal to the area of the square minus the area of the circle radius 4. So the area of circle radius 4, remember, will be this, plus this, plus this. That makes a circle. So that will be 8 times 8 for the area of the square, minus pi times 4 squared. That's the area of those 4 quarters added up. 8 eighths are 64, and 4 squared is 16. So it's 64 minus 16 pi, which is going to give me 13.734, which gives me an answer of 13.7 units squared to 3 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the shaded area, where the shaded area is enclosed by 4 quarters of a circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.